Hi students, if you're new to my channel, I am Divya. I will be teaching 10th class mathematics. I will be posting videos regularly on my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe to my channel Divyas Maths and do like, comment and share the videos with your friends. To score good marks in maths exams, solving previous year's questions is very important and is must. So today we will be solving previous year's questions from the chapter Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variables. Our target is to score full marks in the board exams. So let's get started. So let us see the first question. For what value of k, the following system of equations has a unique solution? We have a unique solution for the intersecting lines. Yes, and what is the condition for intersecting lines? Intersecting lines have a condition a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So this intersecting lines have a unique solution. Now we have two equations. One is x minus ky is equals to 2 as equation number 1 and 3x plus 2y is equals to minus 5 as equation number 2. So comparing these two equations with the general form, you will get a1 is equals to 1, b1 is equals to minus k. And you have a2 is equals to 3 and b2 is equals to 2. Okay. So what is the condition for intersecting lines? It is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So what is a1 here? It is 1 by a2 is 3 is not equals to b1 is minus k by b2 is 2. So when you cross multiply, you will get minus 3k is not equals to 2. So you will get k is not equals to minus 2 by 3. Therefore, the pair of equations has a unique solution for all real values of k except minus 2 by 3. Okay. So let us see the next question. For what value of m, the following system of equations will have a unique solution? So, this question is also a similar type. What is the condition for intersecting lines? Because intersecting lines have a unique solution. What is the condition for intersecting lines? a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. This intersecting line have a unique solution. So from these two equations, let us take this one as equation 1 and let us take this one as equation 2. Comparing these two equations with the general form, you will get a1 is equals to 3, b1 is equals to m. a2 is equals to 9 and b2 is equals to 12. Okay. So what is the condition for intersecting lines? That is a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Okay. So from here what is a1? a1 is 3 by a2 is 9 is not equals to b1 is m by b2 is 12. When you cross multiply, you will get 9m is not equals to 12 3s is 36. So if you want m value, m is equals to 36 divided by 9, which is 9 ones and 9 fours are. So you will get m is not equals to 4. So we have got m is not equals to 4. So therefore we can say that the system of equations will have unique solution for all real values of m except 4. Okay. So let us see the next one. Show that the pair of linear equations are consistent. So they have given us two equations. What are the equations? 7x plus y is equals to 10 as equation number 1. Let us take them as equation 1 and equation 2. X plus 7y is equals to 10 as equation 2. So we need to show that the pair of linear equations are consistent. So if it has to be consistent, it should be intersecting lines or it should be coincident lines. Yes. So what is the condition for intersecting lines? A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. And what is the condition for coincident? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. So the pair of linear equations should satisfy either this condition or either this condition. Okay. By comparing them with the general form, you will get A1 is equals to 7, B1 is equals to 1, C1 is equals to minus 10. A2 is equals to 1, B2 is equals to 7 and C2 is equals to minus 10. Okay. So what is the first condition? It is A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. So you will get A1 is 7 by 1 is not equals to 1 by 7. So it is satisfying the first condition itself. Yes. So therefore, the given equations are consistent. So let us see the next question. Write the condition for the pair of linear equations in two variables to be parallel lines. First, let us write the general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. That is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. This is the general form. Now, what is the condition for the parallel lines? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So, this is the condition for parallel lines and parallel lines have no solution. Clear? So, let us see the next question. If x is equals to a and y is equals to b is the solution of pair of equations x minus y is equals to 2 and x plus y is equals to 4, then find the values of a and b. So the given equations are x minus y is equals to 2 and x plus y is equals to 4. So he has given us x is equals to a and y is equals to b is a solution of a pair of linear equation. So let us replace with x is equals to a and y is equals to b. That is a minus b is equals to 2 and a plus b is equals to 4. So when you add them, this will get cancelled, which is 2a is equals to 6. A is equals to 6 by 2, which is 3. You will get a is equals to 3. When a is equals to 3, you can substitute in any of the equations and find out the b value. Yes? So, take a plus b is equals to 4. A is 3. 3 plus b is equals to 4. B is equals to 4 minus 3. You will get b is equals to 1. Okay. So the value of a is 3 and value of b is 1. Clear? So see the next question. For what value of t the following pair of linear equation has no solution? So which lines have no solution? It is parallel lines, right? So the parallel lines have no solution. And what is the condition for parallel lines? It is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Now take this equation as equation 1 and take this equation as equation 2. Comparing these two equations with the general form, you will get A1 is equals to 2, B1 is equals to minus T, C1 is equals to minus 5. A2 is equals to 3, B2 is equals to 2, C2 is equals to minus 11. Okay, so what is the condition for the parallel lines? It is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Substitute the values. A1 is 2, A2 is 3 is equals to B1 is minus T by B2 is 2 is not equals to C1 is minus 5 and C2 is minus 11. Okay, so let us take these two and find the value of T. So when you cross multiply, you will get minus 3T is equals to 4. T is equals to minus 4 by 3. So we have got T is equals to minus 4 by 3. So we can say that for T is equals to minus 4 by 3, the pair of linear equations has no solution. Okay. So let us see the next question. Whether the following pair of linear equations are parallel, justify. We need to show if these two linear equations are parallel. So let us take this equation as equation 1 and this equation as equation 2. Okay. And what is the condition for parallel lines? The condition for parallel lines is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Yes. So from these two equations, comparing them with the general form, you will get A1 is equals to 6, B1 is equals to minus 4, C1 is equals to 10. A2 is equals to 3, B2 is equals to minus 2 and C2 is equals to 6. Okay, so we need to show that these two equations are parallel. Clear? Now, what is the condition? It is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Now, substitute the values. A1 is 6 by A2 is 3 is equals to B1 is minus 4 by B2 is minus 2 is not equals to C1 is 10 by C2 is 6. So this is 3 ones and 3 twos. This is 1 and 2. This is 3 and 5. Okay, we have got 2 is equals to 2 is not equals to 5 by 3. Yes, so see here, this is same like parallel line condition, right? A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So we can say that pair of linear equations are parallel. Clear? So let us see the next question. Solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method. So we need to solve this equations by substitution method. So let us take 2x minus 3y is equals to 19 as equation number 1 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 21 as equation 2. So from equation number 1, let us solve for x. Let us take 2x is equals to 19 plus 3y. Okay. So if you want only x value, that will be x is equals to 19 plus 3y divided by 2. This will be your equation number 3. Now substitute this equation number 3 in equation 2. Substitute equation 3 in equation 2. So what is equation 2? that is 3x minus 2y is equals to 21. We know the value of x, which is 19 plus 3y by 2 minus 2y is equals to 21. I am multiplying the numerator with 3 and I am taking the LCM. Okay. 19 threes is 57. 57 plus 9y minus, I am taking the LCM here, minus 4y by 2 is equals to 21. So which is 57 plus 9y minus 4y is plus 5y. 5y is equals to, when we cross multiply, this will be 42. So this will be 5y is equals to 42 minus 57. 42 minus 57 is minus 15. So you will get 5y is equals to minus 15. Y is equals to minus 15 by 5, which is 5 ones and 5 threes. You will get y is equals to minus 3. Okay, when you get y is equals to minus 3, substitute y is equals to minus 3 in equation number 3. That is, substitute y is equals to minus 3 in equation 3. So, you will get x value, which is x is equals to 19 plus 3 of minus 3 by 2, which is 19 minus 9 by 2. You will get x is equals to 19 minus 9 is 10. 10 by 2, which is 5. So the value of x is 5. So you will get x is equals to 5. Okay. So the value of y is minus 3 and x is equals to 5. So therefore the solution is x is equals to 5 and y is equals to minus 3. Okay. So how do you do the verification? We will substitute the values of x and y in both the equation such that it satisfies both the equations on both the sides. Okay. So 2 into 5 minus 3 into minus 3 is equals to 19. So 10 minus of minus is plus, 9 is equals to 19. This is 19 is equals to 19. This is 19 is equals to 19. So let us see for the next one. 3 of 5 minus 2 of minus 3 is equals to 21, which is 15 plus 6 is equals to 21. This is 21 is equals to 21. The values of x and y satisfies both the equation on both the sides. Therefore, we can say verified. Okay. So, let us see the next question. See, this is the equation they have given. Write the linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation form parallel lines and intersecting lines. So, he has given us one linear equation. So, we need to write pair of linear equations such that it forms parallel lines and intersecting lines. Okay. So, first let us write the conditions for intersecting lines and parallel lines. Okay. So, the condition for intersecting line is A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. Yes. And what is the condition for parallel lines? The condition for parallel line is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. So the given equation is 3x plus 4y is equals to 11. Okay. Now comparing this equation with the general form, you will get A1 is equals to 3, B1 is equals to 4 and C1 is equals to minus 11. First, let us find the equation which satisfies the intersecting lines. Okay. Condition for intersecting line is, that is, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Yes. Now let us find the other equation which satisfies this condition. Okay. So for example, let us take the equation as 4x plus 3y plus 7 is equals to 0. Okay. From this equation, I can get a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to 3 and c2 is equals to 7. Yes. Now substitute here. a1 is 3 by a2 is 4. 3 by 4 is not equals to b1 is 4 and b2 is 3. Yes, so it satisfies the condition for intersecting lines. Okay, so this is the equation. This is the equation which we have formed. Okay. Now let us see the condition for the parallel lines. What is the condition for parallel lines? It is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So the other equation should satisfy this condition. So let us take the other equation as 6x plus 8y minus 25 is equals to 0. So comparing this equation with the general form, you will get a2 is equals to 6, b2 is equals to 8 and c2 is equals to minus 25. So substitute the values, you will get a1 is 3 by a2 is 6 is equals to b1 is 4 and b2 is 8 is not equals to c1 is minus 11 and c2 is minus 25. Yes, which is 3 ones and 3 twos are. This is 4 ones and 4 twos. So therefore, it is satisfying the parallel lines condition, right? So this is the equation which we have formed. Okay, clear? So let us see the next question. Solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. So we need to solve the given pair of linear equations using elimination method. Okay. So let us take the equations as 2x plus 3y is equals to 8 as equation number 1 and x plus 2y is equals to 5 as equation number 2. Okay. So see here, if you see equation 1 and 2, can we eliminate any variable? So can you see the coefficients of the variables are equal? In any equations, in these two equations, are the coefficients of x variable or are the coefficients of y variable equal? No, they are not equal, right? So we will make the coefficients of the variable equal so that we can eliminate them. Okay. So we will make the coefficients of x variable equal. For that, we will multiply the equation 2 with 2. Okay. That is, multiply equation number 2 with 2. Okay. So you will get 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. Equation 1 remains same. Equation 2, when you multiply with 2, you will get 2x plus 4y is equals to 10. Now we will subtract. Okay. Now subtract them. 2x plus 2x and minus 2x will get cancelled. This will be minus y is equals to minus 2. So minus minus will get cancelled. You will have y is equals to 2. When you get y value, we can substitute the y value in any of the equations and get the x value. Okay. So substitute y is equals to 2 in equation number 1. So what is equation 1? It is 2x plus 3y is equals to 8. We know y value. Yes. So substitute it. 3 into 2 is equals to 8. Which is 2x plus 6 is equals to 8. 2x is equals to 8 minus 6. 2x is equals to 2. X is equals to 1. Okay. 2 will get cancelled. So the value of x is 1. Clear? So therefore, solutions are x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. Okay. So how do you do the verification? We will just substitute the x and y values in these two equations and see if it is satisfying both the equations on both the sides. So let us put it. 2 of 1 plus 3 of 2 is equals to 8. Which is 2 plus 6 is equals to 8. 8 is equals to 8. Let us see for the next equation. 1 plus 2 of 2 is equals to 5. 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. 5 is equals to 5. So we can say that x and y value satisfies both the equations on both the sides. Therefore, verified. Okay. So let us see the next question. For what value of m the following equations have no solution? So we need to find the value of m for which the given equations have no solutions. Okay. So what are the given equations? That is mx plus 4y is equals to 10. Let us take this as equation number 1. And 9x plus 12y is equals to 30. Let us take this as equation number 2. So from these two equations, comparing them with the general form, you will get a1 is equals to m, b1 is equals to 4 and c1 is equals to minus 10. a2 is equals to 9, b2 is equals to 12 and c2 is equals to minus 30. So we need to show this equation has no solution. Which lines have no solution? It is parallel lines. Yes, parallel lines have no solution. Correct? So what is the condition for parallel lines? It is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. Okay. Now substitute the values for this condition. The condition is a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. Now substitute the values in this condition. a1 is m by a2 is 9 is equals to b1 is 4 and b2 is 12 is not equals to c1 is minus 10 and c2 is minus 30. Okay. So let us take these two and find the value of m. Okay. So when you cross multiply, you will get 12m is equals to 36. Right. So see here 12 ones and 12 threes are 36. So you will get m is equals to 3. Okay. So we can say that therefore for m is equals to 3, the system will have no solution. Okay. So let us see the next question. Solve these two equations. Okay. So he did not mention to use which method. So the easiest method is the elimination method. So let us use elimination method to solve these two equations. Okay. So the given equations are 2x plus y is equals to 5. Let us take it as equation number 1. And 5x plus 3y is equals to 11 as equation number 2. Okay. So by elimination method, if you want to eliminate any one variable, we need to see that the coefficients of the variable should be equal to eliminate any one variable. Yes. So are the coefficients of the variable equal in these two equations? No. Right? So let us make the coefficients of the variable equal by multiplying the first equation with 3. If you multiply the first equation with 3, y variable will be equal, so that we can eliminate the y variable first. Okay. So I am writing it here. Multiply equation 1 with 3. So you will get, if you multiply the first equation with 3, which is 6x plus 3y is equals to 15. Second equations remain same, which is 5x plus 3y is equals to 11. Now let us subtract them. Okay. Change the signs. This will get eliminated. This will be x is equals to 4. So you have got the value of x as 4. Now let us substitute the value of x in any one of the equation and find the value of y. Substitute x is equals to 4 in equation number 1. So what is equation 1? It is 2x plus y is equals to 5. We know the x value. Yes, that is 2 of 4 plus y is equals to 5. You will get 8 plus y is equals to 5. So if we need, so y is equals to 5 minus 8. So if you want y value, you will get y is equals to minus 3. Okay. So therefore, solutions are x is equals to 4 and y is equals to minus 3. So how do we do the verification? We will substitute the x and y values in these two equations and see if it is satisfying both the equations on both the sides. So let us substitute 2 of 4 plus y is minus 3 is equals to 5, which is 8 minus 3 is equals to 5, which is 5 is equals to 5. Let us do for the next one. 5 of 4 plus 3 of minus 3 is equals to 11. 20 minus 9 is equals to 11, which is 11 is equals to 11. So therefore, x and y values satisfies both the equation on both the sides. Therefore, verified. So let us see the next question. So see here in this question, he has already given us the solutions for the two equations. Okay. He has already given us the solution for the linear equations. So we just need to plot those points on a graph sheet. Okay. So the first equation is x plus y is equals to 5. And what are the points for the first equation? That is 1, 4, 2, 3 and 3, 2. Okay. And what is the second equation? It is x minus y is equals to 1. And what are the points for the second equation? 3, 2, 2, 1 and 5, 4. So we just need to plot these points on the graph sheet. Okay. Do not forget to take x-axis, y-axis and origin, and do not forget to write scale on the top right corner in your exams. Okay. So the first one is 1 and 4. 1 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. The next one is 2 and 3. 2 on the x-axis and 3 on the y-axis, which is here. The next one is 3 and 2. 3 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. So you will get a line like this. Line is x plus y is equals to 5. Okay. So let us plot it for the next equation. 3 and 2. 3 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis, which is here. 2 and 1. 2 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis, which is here. 5 and 4. 5 on the x-axis and 4 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. So when you join them, you will get like this. So this line is x minus y is equals to 1. From this graph, we can say that these two lines are intersecting lines and they have one unique solution. Okay, clear? Let us see the next question. Draw the graphs of the following equations on the graph paper. So first, we need to draw the graph for these two equations. Okay, then write down the coordinates of the point of intersections of the above equations. And then we need to find the area of a triangle. Okay. So let us solve them. So first let us find out the points for these two equations to plot a graph. Okay. So first equation is 3x minus y is equals to 2. So let us take this equation as y of x is equals to. Okay. So in the same way, the second equation y of x is equals to 2x plus y is equals to 8. Okay. So this will be x and this will be y of x. This is x and y coordinates. To draw a straight line, we just need 2 points to draw a straight line. Okay. So let us find 2 points by which we can draw a straight line. Okay. So the easiest way to find the points are, let us put x is equals to 0 and find the value of y, and let us put y is equals to 0 and find the value of x. Okay. So let us put x is equals to 0 first. So if you put 0 in this equation, you will get 0 minus y is equals to 2. So you will get y is equals to minus 2. So the coordinates are 0, minus 2. See here, if you put y is equals to 0, you will get 3x minus 0 is equals to 2. So you will get x is equals to 2 by 3. Yes, which is a decimal number. Okay. So try to avoid decimal number. Try to take a whole number so that it will be easy for us to plot it on a graph. So let us take y is equals to 1 and see. If y is equals to 1, you will get 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. 3x is equals to 2 plus 1. 3x is equals to 3, which is 1 and 1. You will get x is equals to 1. Okay. So when y is equals to 1, you will get x is equals to 1. So the coordinates are 1, 1. See, I can take the points as a of 0, minus 2 and b of 1, 1. Okay. Now let us do it for the next one. X, y of x and x and y coordinates. So if you put x is equals to 0, if you put x is equals to 0, you will get 2 of 0 plus y is equals to 8. You will get y is equals to 8. Okay. When x is 0, you will get y is equals to 8. The coordinates will be 0 and 8. If you put y is equals to 0, this will be 2x plus 0 is equals to 8. So, 2 ones and 2 fours, right? So, you will get x is equals to 4. Clear? So, when y is 0, you will get x as 4. So, the coordinates are 4, 0. Now, you can take the points as C of 0, 8 and D of 4, 0. Clear? Now, let us plot the graph. So, the first one is 0 and minus 2. 0 on the x-axis, minus 2 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. The next one is 1 and 1. 1 on the x-axis, 1 on the y-axis, which is this one. This is the A point and this is the B point. Okay. So, let us join these both. Let us plot the other 2 points. 0 and 8. 0 on the x-axis, 8 on the y-axis. So, let me take 1 centimeter is equals to 2 units on the y-axis. Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now it is fine. 0 on the 0 and 8. 0 on the x-axis, 8 on the y-axis, which is here. The next one 4 and 0. 4 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. So, let us join these 2 points. So, this is the C point and this is the D point. Okay. This is the line. This is the line 3x minus y is equals to 2. The second equation is 2x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0. 2x plus y minus 8 is equals to 0. So, the second question is write down the coordinates of the point of intersection. So, here the point of intersection P of 2, 4. Okay. This is 4 and this is 2. So, from the graph we can say that the point of intersection P is 2, 4. Okay. This is the point of intersection. Okay. Then we need to find the area of a triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. Okay, we need to find the area of the triangle. So, what is the area of a triangle? Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Okay, so if you take this triangle, okay, we need to look the triangle. See here. Find the area of a triangle formed by the lines and the x-axis. So, we need to take the triangle formed by these lines and also by the x-axis. So, this is the x-axis. Yes, so this is the triangle formed. Okay. Area of a triangle is half into base into height. So, half into, so see here, half into, what is base? Base is from this point to this point. Okay. Base is from this point to this point, which is 3.5 into height is from 0 to this one, right? From here to here. It is 4. 4. Okay. 2 ones, 2 twos. 3.5 into 2. 3.5 into 2 is 7. This is 7 square units. Okay. So, area of a triangle is 7 square units. Clear? Let us see the next question. Draw the graph for the following pair of linear equations. Find the solution from the graph. So, we need to plot a graph and we need to find the solutions from the graph. Okay. So, let us take the first equation, which is 3x minus 2y is equals to 2. Okay, let us take this equation as y of x. Y of x is equals to. So, this is x, this is y of x and this is x and y coordinates. So, as I told you, you just need 2 points to plot a graph. Okay. So if you put x is equals to 0 here, you will get, if x is equals to 0, you will get 3x minus 2y, this is x0, is equals to 2. So you will get minus 2y is equals to 2. 2 will get cancelled. You will get y is equals to minus 1. When x is 0, you will get y as minus 1. This is 0 comma minus 1. And when y is equals to 0, when y is 0, you will get 3x minus 2 of 0 is equals to 2. So you will get x is equals to 2 by 3, which is again a decimal number. Okay. So we will try to avoid decimals. So we will take y is equals to 1 and c. So if y is equals to 1, so this will be 1. You will get 3x minus 2 is equals to 2. You will get 3x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 by 3. So this is again a decimal, right? So let us take y is equals to 2 and see. If y is 2, this will be 3x minus 2 of 2 is equals to 2. So 3x minus 4 is equals to 2. 3x is equals to 6. X is equals to 3 ones, 3 twos, right? You will get x is equals to 2. So when y is 2, you will get x is 2. Okay. So the coordinates are 2 and 2. So we can take the points as a of 0 comma minus 1 and b of 2 comma 2. Now let us take the second equation, which is 2x plus y is equals to 6. Let us take this equation as y of x is equals to 2x plus y is equals to 6. Okay. So x, this is y of x. This is x and y coordinates. Let us put x is equals to 0. See here, if x is 0, you will directly get y is 6. Okay. So the coordinates will be 0 and 6. See here, 2x plus y is equals to 6. If x is equals to 0, this will be 0 plus y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6. Okay. So if y is 1, you will get a decimal, right? So see here, if y is 1, this will go to RHS, which is 5. 5 by 2 is again a decimal. So let us take y is equals to 2. Then you will get 2x plus 2 is equals to 6. 2x is equals to 4. I am sending this 2 to RHS, which is 4. You will get 2 ones and 2 twos, which is x is equals to 2. When y is 2, you will get x is 2. Okay. Which is 2 and 2. We can take the points as c of 0 comma 6 and d of 2 comma 2. Let us plot the graph. The first point is 0 and minus 1. 0 on the x-axis, minus 1 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. The next one is 2 and 2. 2 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. So let us join these 2 points. This is A point and this is B point. 3x minus 2y is equals to 2. This is the line 3x minus 2y is equals to 2. So let us plot the next 2 points, 0 and 6. 0 on the x-axis, 6 on the y-axis. So let me just extend the points. Here, 6 is here. Okay. The next one is 2 and 2. 2 and 2, which is here. Okay. Let us join these 2 points. So this one is 2x plus y is equals to 6. Okay. So this is your C point and this is the D point. So from the graph we can say that these 2 lines are intersecting lines. So intersecting lines intersect at a common point. Okay, at a common point. That common point is called the solution of the given pair of linear equations. This is called the solution. Okay. Let us see the next question. Draw the graph for the equations on the graph paper and check whether they are consistent or not. Okay. First, let us plot the graph. Then let us check if it is consistent or not. Okay. So let us take the first equation, which is 2x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Let us take this equation as y of x. Okay. So this is x, this is y of x, and this is x and y coordinates. Let us first find the points for the first equation. So let us put x is equals to 0 and find the y value. So if you put x is equals to 0, if x is 0, this will be 2x minus y is equals to 4. Okay. If x is 0, which is minus y is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 4. So y value is minus 4. The coordinates are 0 and minus 4. Okay. And when y is 0, if we put y is equals to 0, then you will get 2x minus 0 is equals to 4. So 2 ones, 2 twos, which is x is equals to 2. So when y is 0, x is 2. Okay. 2, 0. You can take the points as a of 0, minus 4 and b of 2, 0. Let us take the next equation as y of x is equals to x plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. So this will be x, this will be y of x. This is x and y. So let us put x is equals to 0. So if x is 0, this will be 0 plus y is equals to minus 1. So y is minus 1. Okay. So the coordinates are 0 and minus 1. And if y is 0, if y is equals to 0, this is x plus 0 is equals to minus 1. So x is minus 1. Coordinates are minus 1, 0. So you can take the points as c of 0, minus 1 and d of minus 1, 0. So let us plot the graph. The first one is 0 and minus 4. 0 on the x-axis, minus 4 on the y-axis, which is this one. Okay. The next one is 2 and 0. 2 on the x-axis, 0 on the y-axis, which is this one. Okay. So let us join these 2 points. So this is A and this is B point. Okay. This is 2x minus y minus 4 is equals to 0. So the next point is 0 and minus 1. 0 on the x-axis, minus 1 on the y-axis, which is this one. Minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, which is this one. Okay. Let us join these 2 points. So this is C point and this is D point. X plus y plus 1 is equals to 0. See the question? Check whether they are consistent or not. So we need to say if they are consistent or not. So when they are said to be consistent, if it is intersecting lines, then it is said to be consistent. If it is coincident lines, then it is said to be consistent, right? So from the graph, we can say these lines are intersecting at one common point. That common point is P of 1, minus 2. This common point is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Therefore, we can say that the given linear equations are consistent. So let us see the next question. Draw the graph and find the solutions from the graph. Okay. So let us quickly find the points and draw the graph. So let us take the first equation, which is 2x plus y is equals to 6 as y of x. Okay. So as we all know, we just need 2 points to draw a straight line, and let us find those 2 points. Okay. So let us take x is equals to 0. If you put x is equals to 0, this will be 0 plus y is equals to 6. Yes, you will get y as 6. And if you put y is equals to 0, if you put y is equals to 0, 2x plus 0 is equals to 6, which is 2 1s and 2 3s are 6. You will get x is equals to 3. Okay. If you put y as 0, you will get x as 3. The coordinates are 3 and 0. So you can take the points as a of 0, 6 and b of 3, 0. Okay. Now the second equation, that is 2x minus y plus 2 is equals to 0. We can take this equation as y of x is equals to. Okay. So this is x, y of x and x and y coordinates. So the same way, we will take x is equals to 0 and find the value of y. We will put y is equals to 0 and find the value of x. Okay. Put x is 0. If you put x as 0, this will be 2 of 0 minus y is equals to minus 2. You will get y as 2. Okay. When x is 0, y will be 2. Coordinates are 0 and 2. So when y is 0, when y is equals to 0, you will get 2x minus 0 is equals to minus 2. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. X will be minus 1. So when y is 0, x will be minus 1. Coordinates are minus 1 and 0. Okay. You can take the points as c of 0, 2 and d of minus 1, 0. Let us plot the graph. The first point is 0 and 6. 0 on the x-axis and 6 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. The next one, 3 and 0. 3 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, which is here. So let us join these 2 points. This is A and this is B point. Okay. The next one is 0 and 2. 0 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis, which is here. Minus 1 and 0. Minus 1 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, which is here. Now join these 2 points. This is C point and this is D point. From the graph, we can say that these 2 lines are intersecting lines. Intersecting lines has one unique solution. So this is the common point and it is P of 1 and 4. So this is the solution of the given pair of linear equation. Okay. So let us see the next problem. Show that the following pair of linear equations are consistent and solve them graphically. We need to plot the graph. From the graph, we need to check whether if it is a consistent or not. Okay. So let us take the first equation, that is x plus 3y is equals to 6. Let us take this equation as y of x. Okay. So this is x, y of x and x and y coordinates. So when x is equals to 0, when x is 0, so y value will be x plus 3y is equals to 6, right? When x is 0, this will be 3y is equals to 6, 3 1s and 3 2s. So you will get y is equals to 2. So y is 2. Coordinates are 0 and 2. When y is 0, this part will be 0, x will be 6. Okay. Coordinates are 6 and 0. You can take the points as a of 0, 2 and b of 6, 0. So let us do it for the second equation, which is 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Let us take this equation as y of x. This is x, this is y of x, this is x and y coordinates. Okay. So when x is 0, you will get 0 minus 3y is equals to 12. 3 ones, 3 fours are 12. So you will get y is equals to minus 4. Okay. When x is 0, y is minus 4. Coordinates are 0, minus 4. And when y is 0, if y is equals to 0, 2x minus 0 is equals to 12. 2 ones, 2 6 are 12. So you will get x is equals to 6. Coordinates are 6 and 0. So you can take the points as C of 0, minus 4 and D of 6, 0. Let us plot the graph. Okay, so the first point is 0 and 2. 0 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis, which is here. Okay. The next one is 6 and 0. 6 on the x-axis. So let me take one more point. 6 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, which is here. So let us join these 2 points. So this is A point and this is B point. Okay. The next point is 0 and minus 4. 0 on the x-axis and minus 4 on the y-axis, which is this one. The next one is 6 and 0. 6 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, which is the same point, this one. Okay. Let us join these both. This is C point and this is D point. So from the graph, we can say that these two lines are intersecting lines and it is intersecting at a common point, which is P of 6, 0. The 6, 0 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Okay. So we can say it is a consistent system. Clear? So let us see the next question. Find the solution of the given equations graphically. So we need to find the solutions graphically. Okay. Let us find the points and let us plot the graph. So let us take the first equation as x plus 2y is equals to 10. Let us take this equation as y of x. So let us take x, y of x and x and y coordinates. So let us put x is equals to 0 and find the value of y, and let us put y is equals to 0 and find the value of x. Put x is equals to 0. When you put x is equals to 0, this will be 0 plus 2y is equals to 10. So you will get y is equals to 5. When x is 0, y will be 5. The coordinates are 0 and 5. When y is equals to 0, so this part will be 0, right? So x will be 10. Coordinates are 10, 0. So you can take the points as A of 0, 5 and B of 10, 0. Now let us find the points for the next equation, which is 2x plus 4y is equals to 8. Let us take this equation as y of x. So this is x, y of x and y coordinates. Okay. Put x is equals to 0. You will get 0 plus 4y is equals to 8. This is 4 ones, 4 twos. You will get y is equals to 2. When x is 0, you will get y as 2. The coordinates will be 0 and 2. When y is 0, this will be 2x plus 0 is equals to 8. You will get x as 4. Okay. So the coordinates are 4, 0. So you can take the points as C of 0, 2 and D of 4, 0. Now let us plot the graph. The first point is 0 and 5. 0 on the x-axis and 5 on the y-axis, which is this one. The next one is 10 and 0. 10 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, which is this one. Okay. So let us join these 2 points. So this is A and this is B point. The next one is 0 and 2. 0 on the x-axis, 2 on the y-axis, which is this one. 4 and 0, 4 on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis, which is this. Okay, let us join these 2 points, which is C and D point. So from the graph, we can say that these 2 lines are the parallel lines. So we know that parallel lines have no solution. Therefore, the given equations have no solution. So let us see the next question. So see here, this question can be written as 5 of 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 of 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 2, and 6 of 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 of 1 by y minus 2 is equals to 1. Okay, so let us replace 1 by x minus 1 as a and 1 by y minus 2 as b. Okay, now let us replace and write the equations, which is 5a plus b is equals to 2 and 6a minus b is equals to 1. Okay, so let us take this equation 1 and equation 2. We can solve these 2 equations by elimination method. Yes, so this will get cancelled, which is 11a is equals to 3. So from here you will get a is equals to 3 by 11. Substitute a is equals to 3 by 11 in equation 1. So what is equation 1? It is 5a plus b is equals to 2, which is 5 of 3 by 11 plus b is equals to 2. You will get 15 by 11 plus b is equals to 2. So if you take an LCM, you will get 15 plus 11b by 11 is equals to 2. Okay, so you will get 15 plus 11b is equals to 22. Yes, so if you want 11b, you will send 15 to RHS, which become 7. Okay, so b value will be 7 by 11. Okay, now see here, we have assumed a to be 1 by x minus 1 and b to be 1 by y minus 2. Now let us replace these values. A as 3 by 11 and b as 7 by 11. Okay, so we have assumed a to be 1 by x minus 1 and b to be 1 by y minus 2. So a is 3 by 11. Yes, 3 by 11 is equals to 1 by x minus 1. So when you cross multiply, you will get 3x minus 3 is equals to 11. So 3x is equals to, I am just sending 3 to RHS, which is 14. So x is equals to 14 by 3. Okay. B value is 7 by 11 is equals to 1 by y minus 2. If you cross multiply, you will get 7y minus 14 is equals to 11. So 7y is equals to, I am just sending 14 to RHS, which is 25. Okay. You will get y is equals to 25 by 7. So therefore, the solution is x is equals to 14 by 3 and y is equals to 25 by 7. Okay, clear? These are the multiple choice questions. Please do practice all the questions and let me know if you have any doubts in the comment section below and I will respond to them.